Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello dear ones, here we are discussing exercise 3.6 question number 1, sub questions 1 to 4. The question is solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. What are linear equations? Equations of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Or we can write the constant on the right side as equal to c1 like that, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. Now look at the question. The variables are in the denominator side, x and y in the denominator side. In the first question, first term is 1 over 2x. That means 1 over 2 times 1 over x plus second term is 1 over 3y. How can we consider this? 1 over 3 times 1 over y is equal to 2. And second equation also x and y in the denominator side. If we change 1 over x with a variable, with a letter, we can keep that letter in the numerator side because we are considering 1 over x as a letter. So let 1 over x be any letter a, b, c like that. I am considering it as p. And I will take 1 over y as q. So we have taken 1 over x as p and 1 over y as q. Now the first equation changes. How it reduces? We can see the equation 1 over x we will substitute or we will change with the letter p. And 2 we are not changing. 2 in the denominator side. So the equation becomes p over 2. Plus how the second term? 1 over y we change as q. So what we can write over there? Q over 3 equals 2. Let's give numbers to the equations. See the equation, two equations in the question, we can put them as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now this equation we will arrange and later we will give number. Here we can take the denominator. What is the denominator? Yes, LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. What about the numerator? Numerator we get cross multiplied result. P times 3. How much? It is 3p. Plus 2 times q. 2q. The right side is same. 2. We know what is the next step. Move 6 to the right side. And write the left side as it is. Numerator as it is. 3p plus 2q is equal to 6 times 2. 12. Now this is of the form ax plus by equal c. Linear equation. That means we can put this as equation number 3. Similarly, we can arrange equation number 2 and write it as a linear equation. We have taken 1 over x as p and 1 over y as q. So 1 over 3 times x. How to write? It is p over 3. Plus second term q over 2 is equal to the right side same. 13 over 6. Similar to the first equation, we will write the LCM first. 3 and 2. LCM is 6. Cross multiply to get the numerator. It is 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 over 6. You can move the left side denominator to the right side. Then 6 and 6 will cancel. Or directly you can cancel the denominator because both sides same denominator. Now what we get? 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. See, this is second linear equation. Now we give equation number 4. And we are going to find the value for p and q. Solve for p and q. How to get? We can use either elimination or substitution. I am using here elimination method. If I am using elimination, I need to get the same coefficient for either p or q. Here p I am going to eliminate. First equation, the coefficient of p is 3 and the second equation coefficient of p is 2. If I multiply the first equation with 2, then I will get 6p. Okay. So the first equation, if I multiply with the coefficient of the second equation, that is 2, I will get 6p. And the second equation, we will multiply with the coefficient of p in the first equation, that is 3. Okay, let's multiply and remove bracket. 2 times 3p and 2 times 2q, also 2 times the number. What is the answer we get? 2 times 3p. How much? 6p. Okay, plus 2 times 2q. Yes, 4q equals 2 times 12, 24. Now this is a new equation. We can mark it as equation number 5. The second equation, throughout all the terms, we multiply with what number? The coefficient of p in the first equation, that is 3. Remove bracket. That means multiply with 3. We get the term 6p. See, the coefficient of p now equal. Now 3 times 3q is 9q equals 3 times 13. How much? 39. This is also a new equation. Let it be equation number 6. Both the equations with the same coefficient 6p. Okay, if you want, you can subtract 5 from 6 or 6 from 5. I'm doing 6 minus 5. Equation 6 is there. Just below that, we write equation number 5. What is equation number 5? 6p plus 4q equals 24. Subtract means what? Minus. So we have to minus all these terms. Minus 6p, minus 4q, minus 24 because of subtraction. 6p minus 6p. How much? Cancel. That means 0. 9p minus 4, 9q minus 4q. It is 5q equals 39 minus 24. 15. 5q equals 15. How to get the value of q? Divide by 5. 15 over 5 is 3. See, we get the value of q. Using this value, we can find the value of p. Substitute in any of the equations, equation number 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. I'm substituting this value in equation number 3 because see, the coefficients are small numbers, comparatively small numbers. That's why I'm selecting equation number 3. Substitute the value of q in equation number 3. In place of q, I will give 3. So it is, the equation is 3p plus 2q equals 12. We are going to change q with the number 3. 3p plus 2 times 3 is equal to 12. 2 times 3 is 6. So we will move 6 to the right side. 3p is equal to 12 minus 6. How much it is? 6. Okay, how to get the value of p? Divide. Divide with what number? With 3. 6 over 3 is equal to 2. See, we get p and q. But the question is not with p and q. P and q, we have selected these two variables. We need to get x and y. For that, we have to look what is p and what is q. We have taken p as 1 over x. Do you remember? We taken 1 over x as p. And now we get what is value of p? It is 2. We get 1 over x equals 2. 1 over x is a fraction. So 2 also we can change with the denominator 1. Now take the reciprocal. Numerator and denominator change its position. Then x becomes numerator. We get x over 1. Over 1 no need to write. The right side also when you change we get 1 over 2. So we get the value of x. What is x? X is equal to 1 over 2. We get the value of x as 1 over 2. And now we can find what is y. We have taken q as 1 over y. And now we get the value of q, that is equal to 3. 1 over y equals 3. 3 we can write with the denominator 1. Then we get a fraction on both sides. 1 over y, we write the reciprocal. Y over 1, no need to write over 1. And the right side, when we take the reciprocal, we get 1 over 3. Y equals 1 over 3. Here we got the values of x and y, not directly. We have replaced 1 over x and 1 over y with the different variables and got the values of x and y. Next question is 2 over root x plus 3 over root y equals 2. 4 over root x minus 9 over root y equals minus 1. Both are not linear equations. We have to convert to linear equation. First of all, we could mark these equations as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Then think, which one we can change with variables? Yes, it is 1 over root x and 1 over root y. We will take these with different variables. Let 1 over root x be p, or you can take a or b. It's up to you. I'm taking this as p, and 1 over root y, I will take it as q. Now the equation number 1 we can change. Equation number 1, first term is 2 over root x. That means we can consider this as 2 times 1 over root x. What is 1 over root x? It is now we have taken as p. So this equation becomes 2p we can write. And what about the second term? 3, we consider this as 3 times 1 over root y, and root 1 over root y is q. So this is 3 cube equals 2. And the next equation, equation number 2, how can we write? Now it's easy. 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. Both equations are new equations. So we could mark them as equation number 3 and equation number 4. We want to find the value of p and q. How can we find the values? Elimination or substitution. Here I am using elimination method. That means I will eliminate either p or q. It's easy here, p, because the first equation, if we multiply with 2, we get the coefficient 4. Same like the coefficient in the second equation. So the first equation we are going to multiply with 2. Okay, let's start multiplying. 2 times 2p, it is 4p. See, the coefficients are same. 2 times 3q, it becomes 6q is equal to 2 times 2, 4. This equation becomes a new equation. Now we mark this as equation number 5. Look at equation number 4. See the coefficient of p, same number 4. Okay, now we can write this equation, that is equation number 4, below equation number 5. So equation number 4 is 4p minus 9q equals minus 1. This is equation number 4. Without any change we have written. How to eliminate p or cancel p? What we have to do? Subtraction. Equation number 5, we subtract equation number 5 minus 4. That means subtract 4 from 5. So equation number 4, every term we give this minus. Minus 4p. Minus minus becomes 9q, and then minus minus 1 becomes plus 1. Okay, let's find the answer. 4p minus 4p. Cancel. 6q plus 9q. It is 15q. 6 plus 9 is 15. 4 plus 1 is 5. 15q equals 5. How to get the value of q? 5 divide with 15. We can cancel 5 and 15. So what we get? 1 over 3. Q equals 1 over 3. We can use this value of q and substitute in any of the equations, find the value of p. Here I am going to substitute in equation number 4. Equation number 4 or 5 or any equation you can substitute, but I am going to substitute in equation number 4. What is equation number 4? 4p minus 9q equals minus 1. And now 9q becomes 9 times, what is q? 1 over 3 is equal to minus 1. See, 9 numerator and 3 denominator get cancelled. How? 1 times 3, 3, and in place of 9 we get 3. 3 times 3, 9. 4p minus 3 times 1, it is minus 3, equals minus 1. Move minus 3 to the right side. 4p is equal to minus 1 plus 3. Then what is minus 1 plus 3? 3 minus 1 is 2. 4p equals 2. Get the value of p. p equals 2 over 4. Cancel 2 from numerator denominator. We get p equals 1 over 2. But the question asks us to find x and y. See, we have taken 1 over root x as p and 1 over root y as q. We can substitute these values. 1 over root x equals, what is p? 1 over 2. So we can write that 1 over root x equals 1 over 2. See, p is 1 over 2. X in the denominator side. So take the reciprocal. Then left side we get root x over 1. 1 over 1 no need to write. The right side 2 over 1. So we write just 2. Root x equals 2. How to get the value of x? Take power 2 on both sides. Root x square. Root and square cancel. We get x. X equals 2 square, that is 4. The same way we can find the value of y. We have taken 1 over root y as q, and here we got q equals 1 over 3. Take the reciprocal. What is that? Root y. Over 1 no need to write. Root y equals right side it is 3. Power 2 we take on both sides. To cancel root we take power 2. Root y square is y equals 3 square is 9. See, we have got the values of x and y. Okay, look at this equations. These equations 4 over x plus 3y equals 14, and this is equation number 1 we can mark. 3 over x minus 4y equals 23. We could mark it as equation number 2. Only one variable in the denominator side, that is x. So we can change that variable only. Y no need to change. Y in the numerator side. Okay, so we change x. How can we write? We take 1 over x as p, and then we are going to reduce the equation. Both the equations we have to rewrite. 4 times 1 over x, we write it as 4p plus 3y is equal to 14. Since it is a new equation, we could mark this as equation number 3. And equation 2 we can reduce. 3 times 1 over x, it is 3p minus 4y is equal to 23. We want to find value of p and y. I am here also using elimination method. That means if I am going to eliminate p, I need to get both the equation with the same coefficient. That means equation number 3, we have to multiply with 3. The other equation coefficient of p is 3. That's why here we are multiplying with the 3. See, this is 3p. And this equation, we could mark this equation as equation number 4. Look at equation 3. What is the coefficient of p? 4. So, equation 4 we can multiply with 4. If we multiply like this, we get both the equations with the same coefficient of p. Let's do that. Here, equation 3 we are going to multiply with 3. And then we get the equation 3 times 4p. How much it is? 12p. Okay. 3 times 3y. It is plus 9y is equal to 3 times 14. 3 for 12, 1, then 3, 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 42 we get. 12p plus 9y equals 42. This is a new equation. Let it be equation number 5. Okay, here we can open the bracket with 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12p. 4 times minus 4y. Negative is there, so it is minus 16y is equal to 4 times 23. 4, 3, 12, then 1 there. 4 to 8 plus 1, 9, 92. This is equation number 6. Now you can see both equation number 5 and 6 with coefficient of p is 12. We can eliminate p. How can we do that? Take equation number 5 minus equation number 6 or equation 6 minus equation 5. I am doing equation 6 minus equation 5. See the equation number 6. I am going to subtract equation number 5. So write equation number 5 below equation 6. 12p plus 9y is equal to 42. We are going to do subtraction. Subtraction means minus. So every term in equation number 5 we have to give minus because of subtraction. See, it is minus 12p. Then we change 9p with minus. Also 42 we change with minus. Now we can find the answer. 12p minus 12p cancel. Then we get minus 16y minus 9y together minus 25y is equal to 92 minus 42. It is 50. Minus 25y equals 50. How to get the value of y? Divide 50 over minus 25. Positive divided by negative is negative, and then we get 2. 50 over 25 is 2. Minus 2. Y equals minus 2. Using the value of y, we can find what is p first. After that, we can find what is x. Okay, let's start. Substitute this value in any of the equations. I'm going to substitute value of y, that is y equals minus 2 in equation number, it's your choice, you can select any equation, but I am selecting equation number 4. Equation number 4 is 3p minus 4y equals 23. So we are going to change y with the value minus 2. Then the right side is equal to 23. 3p minus 4 times minus 2. Minus minus becomes plus 8 equals 23. 3p equals 23. How to find p? 3p equals, first of all, 3p equals 23 minus 8. It's 15. Then p equals 15 over 3. We know it is 5. But the question asks us to find not p, we need x. How to find x? What we have taken as p? We have taken 1 over x is equal to p. So we can write 1 over x equals 5 because p is 5. We could write p, that is 5, with the denominator 1 and take the reciprocal. X over 1, that is x, is equal to 1 over 5. We get the value of x as 1 over 5 and y equals minus 2. Is this clear? Okay, let's move on to the next question. It is 5 over x minus 1 plus 1 over y minus 2 is equal to 2. And this equation we can mark it as equation number 1. The second equation, 6 over x minus 1 minus 3 over y minus 2 equals 1. Let it be equation number 2. See the denominators, x minus 1 and y minus 2, both the equations. So what we can consider as p and q? Yes, we will take 1 over x minus 1. Let it be p and 1 over y minus 2. We could take as variable q. P and q we have taken. P is 1 over x minus 1 and q is 1 over y minus 2. So the equation we can reduce. We can change, see here, 5 times 1 over x minus 1. That means it is 5p plus 1 over y minus 2. What is that? It is q is equal to 2. This is a linear equation. We could mark as equation number 3. Using this p and q, we can change equation number 2. So equation number 2 becomes 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. And this is also a new equation. We can mark it as equation number 4. We are going to eliminate p or q. Which is easier? Yes, here q is easier. If we multiply the first equation with 3, then we get the coefficient of q is 3. See the second equation, that is equation number 4, it is minus 3, minus 3q. So we can eliminate q. Now open the bracket, multiply with 3. 3 times 5p, it is 15p, plus 3 times q, 3q, equals 3 times 2 is 6. So this equation we can give the number as equation number 5. And equation 4 we are not changing because already q with the coefficient 3. And we can write below equation number 5. Equation number 4 is 6p minus 3q equals 1. And now we are going to eliminate q. How can we eliminate? One coefficient is positive 3, the other coefficient is minus 3. If you add, we can eliminate. That means equation number 5 plus 4 or equation number 4 plus 5. 15p plus 6p, it is 21p. Q terms cancel and 6 plus 1, it is 7. 21p equals 7. What is p? 7 over 21, that is equal to 1 over 3. What next? We will find the value of q. Substitute in any of these equations and find the value of q. We will look which equation is easier. Yes, we can substitute in equation number 3. Okay, So equation number 3, we are going to substitute the value of P in equation number 3. Substitute in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? 5P plus Q equals 2. What is P? It is 1 over 3. Okay, put the value over there. 5 times 1 over 3 plus Q equals 2. We need the value of Q. So we can keep Q on the left side itself. 5 times 1, 5 over 3. We can move to the right side. Then we get Q is equal to, already 2 is on the right side, then minus 5 over 3. 2 with the 1 denominator, and we can take LCM 1 and 3, that is 3. And to get the numerator, cross multiply. 2 times 3, 6. Then minus 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Or you can consider 2 with the denominator 1. You can change that 1 to 3 by multiplying with 3. Also the numerator multiply with 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Same denominator 3 you can see. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 over 3. Q equals 1 over 3 we get. So P and Q are not the final answers. We need X and Y. How can we find that? We have already taken what is P and Q. So substitute these values over there and find X and Y. What is P? 1 over X minus 1 is P. And what is Q? 1 over Y minus 2 equals Q. So we can write, we have selected P as 1 over X minus 1. And now we get P equals 1 over 3. We want X, so take the reciprocal. X minus 1 keep in the numerator side and 1 denominator. But 1 denominator no need to write. And the right side 3 over 1. Over 1 no need to write. X minus 1 equals 3. What is X? X equals 3 plus 1. That is 4. And we have taken 1 over Y minus 2 equals Q. We can substitute the value of Q over there and find what is Y. 1 over Y minus 2 is equal to 1 over 3. Take the reciprocal. Then we get Y minus 2 over 1. Over 1 no need to write. Equals right side 3 over 1. So we write just 3. Y minus 2 equals 3. What is Y? Y equals 3 plus 2. It's 5. See, we have solved the given equations. How we solved? First we reduced to linear equations, pair of linear equations, and solved for P and Q. Then used this P and Q values to get X and Y. Hope you understand what we have practiced over here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.